Hello, my dear students. Today's lecture will be about sustainability in the hospitality industry, which is one of the new trends of hospitality industry in general. In today's lecture, I will explain what is it sustainability and what is it sustainable tourism in hospitality industry, and nowadays what types of sustainability in hospitality industry has, and also international cases I would share with you. In addition, I will introduce to you different statistics which is related sustainability in hospitality industry, and also finally I would share with you related theories which is also related with different strategies of sustainable practices. The purpose of today's lecture, firstly, to explore the concepts of the idea of sustainability in hospitality industry, how it's important and how it's influenced the enhancement of hospitality industry. The lecture also purposed to provide different insights of insights of real life examples and also cases which is related with statistics and also theories. And the purpose of today, the main objectives of today's lecture, to define, to identify what is it sustainability in hospitality industry, and also identify different types of and how it's influenced to the hospitality industry. Firstly, let me explain to you properly what is it sustainability in hospitality industry, because for you it can be like new things, because now this tendency it's like only few decades it's have in this sphere. It's sustainability in hospitality industry. It means that adapting practices to minimizing environmental impacts, enhance social well-being, and to promote long-term economic incomes in local destination. It can be what includes sustainability in hospitality industry. Firstly, reducing or decreasing carbon footprint, because carbon footprint it's high in hospitality industry. It means that wastes different in hospitality, food waste it can be, or energy not efficiency using. That's why it's all of them footprint. And secondly, enhancing resource efficiency. It means that all things all resources in hospitality industry should be organized effectively, efficiently, and also enhancing communicative engagement in social engagement. It means that cultural engagement, like local engagement, very important in sustainability, and also different customer services, and also hotels or hospitality reputation. It's very important in hospitality industry, which is related with sustainable concepts or sustainability concept. What types of sustainability in hospitality industry has? Firstly, it's environmental sustainability, which is included all related activities with environmental, reducing energy, waste consumption, water consumption, or minimizing waste generation, and adapting green buildings practice, and different using renewable energies in hospitality industry. And secondly, social sustainability. It means it's engagement of locals, engagement of all stakeholders of hospitality industry, and also respecting local culture or history, or art and customers and traditions of local destinations. And finally, economic sustainability in hospitality. It means hospitality industry. It means that ensuring profitable and also very not just hotel industry, but also hospitality industry, but also locals, and also getting a very strategic profit. It means that long-term results, long-term outcomes, and also reducing operational costs through sustainable practices. It means that hospitality industry, it can be related sustainability practices very well. Even in the future, it will be more important. Let me share with you statistics on sustainability in hospitality industry. For example, energy consumption in hospitality industry contributes 1% of global carbon emission, which is very high. And also it will be like reducing by 30%, like in some cases in hospitality industry. If will hospitality industry like use properly sustainable practices properly. And secondly, waste reduction. It means that hotel adapting waste management system can reduce like waste by 40%. It means that, as I said before, hospitality industry has high number of wasting like around the world, like in comparison different spheres, areas. That's why hospitality industry can effectively work if we integrate sustainability very properly, and it will be waste like reduce waste very well. And finally, customer demand. Around 70% of travelers prefer or would like to like go eco-friendly accommodations, eco-friendly hotels, which is also good. This statistics getting by Booking.com. I think Booking.com nowadays it's one of the popular application which is doing very well, like in hospitality industry. And also let me in addition share with you related theories today's lecture. Firstly, triple bottom line. It's triple bottom line mostly focus on balancing between environmental, social, and economic impacts of hospitality industry, which is very important, which is related to sustainability. And secondly, second theory is stakeholder theory, which is highlighted the significance of engagement of like all stakeholders, which is includes all like members of hospitality industry. For example, like businesses, tour operators, tour agencies, accommodations, hotels, museums, airports. All of them should include like engage in the development of hospitality industry, and also which is very important, which is very like to be more sustainable destination or sustainable hotel. And finally, crucial circular like economy, one of the crucial related theories today's lecture, because it's one of the like important theories. Why? It's because emphasize reusing, recycling, because a lot of waste is coming from hospitality industry, and we should reorganize all of them to use second time and recycle it, like for example papers, recycle it like napkins, all of them very important. Even like wasting foods or food waste, we can use second time to do like properly another things, which is also a circular economy. Challenges in implementing sustainability. It means firstly high incentives cost for sustainable infrastructure. Secondly, resistance or changing among staffs, and thirdly, balancing sustainable with profitability, and finally, lack of clear regulation and standards in some regions, which mean all of them are challenges or like difficulties, which is facing now this hospitality industry without sustainable practices, which is it will be like more and more if we cannot integrate a sustainable practice in any, not just hospitality industry, any sphere. That's why it's very important. Strategies for sustainable practices. What includes strategies or approaches in sustainable practice? It's firstly investing energy efficient technology, because without technology, without advancement of technology, it's very difficult. And secondly, training or educating all staffs or employees very important in sustainable practices, because without them it's not possible to organize services of hospitality industry. And also thirdly, it's collaboration and partnership. It's very important with locals, with other stakeholders, and also like engagement of like all stakeholders is very important in sustainability. And also creating like very like understandable like teams. It's also companies to encourage guests to practice in green initiatives, because nowadays without like locals, without tourists, without guests, it's not possible to organize properly sustainability. That's why it's very important. In conclusion, in this lecture, you understand. I think I introduced the new tendency of hospitality industry as a sustainability and sustainable practice and sustainable tourism, which is very important. And also I highlighted the different types of sustainability practices in hospitality industry, and also I introduced different aspects of this uh, topics very well. And I think we can after this lecture you can analyze what is it important in hospitality and what is it not important. That's why thank you so much for your attention. And today's lecture, if you want to understand more about today's lecture, you can read additional references from this list. And thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. Bye bye.